So yeah, this is part 2 of the quarantine cruise. I had to break that thing up into 2 videos because there were so many cars, and man, it's like being a kid in a candy store looking at all these classics and old schools. Hope you guys enjoyed the second part of the quarantine cruise series, Big Herc916. Now tell me, when's the last time you seen a Bonneville? This is badass, you guys. Old school right here. This is what you used to roll through with the homies. Man, straight mobbing. Look at this Road Runner Superbird, man. Do you know how rare this car is? This car is rare right here. Oh my God, this is a classic, and this is worth some serious bread. Big bread right here. Mopar. My God. Woo! And it's signed by Richard Petty, you guys. Richard Petty signed this bitch. Wow.
At his place.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Richard Petty.
Yeah,
man.
we were at his place. I got him to sign it. Yeah.
Wow. That is crazy. Oh my God. Now look at this Chevelle right here, man. Look how clean the engine bay is. Got that Magnuson supercharger. It says Berry Speed Shop. This thing is clean. Oh man, he kept interior stock looking, but it's all aftermarket. Badass. Great job on this car right here. Nice clean paint job, and it's just like it's a sleeper, but it's not a sleeper. We got this supercharged, looks like Le Mans right here. This thing is clean, man. You don't really see a lot of these either because most people do Chevelles. It's nice and clean, original looking. Paint is wet. It's a clean build. So you guys, this is actually a GTO. My bad, I thought it was Le Mans because you don't see GTOs too often, so he really did a great job on this car. Super clean, man. Super clean. Same Edelbrock E4 supercharger I have. Got the 442 SAC Speed Shop LS with the Pro Charger. Woo. Got the white guts. Sitting on 4Gs. Another Grand Prix. Chevelle, Camaro, Duster. Oh man, they even got a damn, look like a NASCAR truck out here. That's pretty cool. Something different. And then they got a Chrysler 300 with the net on the window. 6.8 Coupe nut. It's got the dual carb. Looks like probably a 347. Sound like it was a stroker. Got the blacked out bumper, the blacked out grill, the bigger wheels on it though. Take a look at the inside. Okay, got the 5-speed, old school dash. Oh man, I can't wait to get my Cougar done, you guys. I had to get this Cadillac for you guys. Check this thing out. Now, you wouldn't have anywhere to park this nowadays because of how everything is based on compact. Check that out. Classic leather interior, man. You can drive this across country. I actually took a trip across country with the family when I was a kid in one of these. Check out this 60 coupe, man. Look at the fins on this thing, man. Woo! Big Daddy Caddy. Wow, man, the lines are just crazy on this car, man. Look at this. Who wouldn't want to roll in this on the highway? Cadillac, man. This is original American luxury right here. Beautiful car. Look at this, man. Pretty paint job. All the chrome is there. Man. Now check out this AMX. It's American Motors right here. And this has a 390 in it. Classic right here. You don't see a whole lot of these. And they actually race these. And they did well. They did well on the circuit. Beautiful car. And you don't see a whole lot of them. My neighbor actually has one of these and I'm thinking about trying to hit him up for it, man. Just because. Bad boy right here. Clean. I know you're not the average motherfucker, so I got some merch for you. Never settle for average, because we ain't the average motherfuckers. Tank tops, t-shirts, never settle for average, because we ain't the average motherfuckers. Got them hats. Got them hats, man. Big Herc916.com. Pick you up some merch. Limited, very limited. I'm not going to have a bunch of these because there's only a limited edition of people who ain't the average motherfuckers.
Lockdown's over. Get your yard time in. Exclusively at FreshOutSeries.com.
Hello, I'm Big Herc916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.